Hello everyone, in this video we will solve question 5 and 6 of exercise 1.2. Now let's discuss question number 5. Statement is, are the following pair of sets equal? Give reasons. We have to check the following sets are equal or not. If they are equal, then we have to give the reasons. Statement is, A is equals to 2 and 3. B is equals to those x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. We know that this is in a roster form. Here A is given in roster form, but we have to build a set by using the statement in B. Solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. We know that this is a polynomial. We will find the roots of this. So, we will split the middle term. We know that we can split the middle term as 3x plus 2x plus 6, because 3 plus 2 gives us 5 and 3 into 2 gives us 6. So, by taking x as a common, we will get x plus 3 plus 2 as a common. X plus 3 is equals to 0, implies x plus 3, x plus 2 is equals to 0. By this we get the values minus 2 and we get x plus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. Implies x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So, here B is equals to minus 2 and minus 3. Clearly we can see that here A and B are not equal sets. So, this pair of set is not equal. Now, part 2 of question number 5. Here A is equals to those x such that x is a letter in the word follow. B is equals to those y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. We know that this is a set builder form. We will make roster form by using this. Those x such that x is a letter in the word follow. We know that we will write the words F O L, and here L is repeating. We know that in a set we can't write an element more than once. So we will not write again. Here O is again repeating. So we will not write. Next one is W. So by using this set builder form, we form a set. Now B is equals to those y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. Here W, O, L and F, because no element is repeated in this word. So we see that here all the elements of A is an element of B, because W is also present here, L, O and F. All the elements of A are elements of B and all the elements of B are elements of A. So, we will say that A is equals to B. Now, question number 6. From the set given below, select examples of equal sets. We have different 8 sets are given. We will check which of these are equal sets. Let's check. Here A is equals to 2, 4, 8, 12. We can easily say that this is not equals to any one of these, because here G has only 1 and minus 1, E has minus 1 and 1, H has 0, 1. So A is not equals to any one of these sets. Let's check B. Here elements of B are 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can easily observe that here B is equals to D, because here 1 is present also in D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in D, elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are equal. We can say that here B is equals to D. If we will check C, elements of C are 4, 8, 12 and 14. We can easily observe that there is no set that contains the same element as C. So, C has no pair that shows that this is equals to C. Also, E has two elements -1 and 1. In G, we have elements 1 and -1. So, we can say that E is equals to G. Have you find any other set which have equal number of elements? Yeah, you can check these are no other elements which are equal in the given sets. So, we have only two sets which are equal. B is equals to D and E is equals to G. Hope you understand question number 5 and 6. I have explained the previous questions in the videos. You can check it out. I am following NCERT book for these questions. You can message me, you can comment me that you have any queries regarding this. Thank you for watching.